Password Keeper Module 3. So this video we are going to continue from the last video. Um, we are going to add the password form, password subform, and we're going to work on the code behind for these two forms. Let's get going. All right, we are going to continue our password keeper. Let's go to Access Projects folder and scroll down. We made a password keeper right here. All right, we're going to continue from module 2. Make a copy of that guy. Control C, Control V, and then we're going to rename this guy module 3. All right, let's go in there. All right. So last time we finished this guy, which pretty good. We also implemented the search. Look at that. How about M? Look at that. How about tube? Look at that. So yeah, so the search is good and the edit is also good. All right. So now we are going to create a password form. Let's look at that again. The password form is going to look similar to this. The only difference I'm thinking is to have a list of password down here, all right, as a history. If you notice, the website, anytime you change your password, you cannot reuse the old password. This will keep track of your history of your password for a selected website or company. All right. So that's what we are going to do. We are going to yes, we are going to see if we can make this happen. All right. Okay, let's close that out. So because it's going to look the same, we're going to make a copy of this guy. Control C, Control V, and we're going to call this password, like so. All right. Let's go in there. We are going to modify several things, couple of things. All right. The first thing that we are going to modify is let's take a look at this password form here. Yes. So username, password, and edit. So we are interested in these three guys. The edit date, password, and yeah, username and password. All right. So I'm going to keep that there. One thing I noticed, these right here, password ID. Let's go into this password class module here. This class object, we are going to set the new password ID. So that would be identification. Ooh, if I know how to spell, right? Identification, get good. That's it. That's all we need. All right. That's all we need. Control S, and then that way when we add new one, we want to automatically populate that guy in here. So let's take a look at what this guy is. That guy is current action, previous ID, is new, company name, company ID. We're gonna change this guy to no. We're gonna keep that guy, but we are going to make a copy of this guy. Remember, this guy will refer to this list. All right, whatever we select here, the company here is going to pull up all our passwords. That's what we are. That's the concept. All right, txt password ID, like so. All right, and we're going to move a whole bunch of these things. All right, let me see what this guy is. That is the company name, which is good. Status. It's good. All right, so we don't need a company name there, and we don't need we don't need all this. You know what? I'm gonna keep it like so because I'm gonna move that up, and this guy right here, I'm going to move them away because we're gonna have a list of passwords here. All right. So I'm just gonna move this guy one by one for now. The reason why I didn't want to move a whole group is because they turn sideways, and this doesn't take too long. Yeah, that's it. That's all. That's it. All right. Now we're gonna change this guy to username. Username. Change that to txt username. Txt username, and then we're gonna change this guy to, oops, not that one. Uh, password. Password. And this one to add it on. You know what? Let's put a colon in there. There. Same here. Put a colon right behind that guy. There. That will be txt password. And this will be txt add it on. There you go. That's good. That's all we want right now. All right. We'll worry about the list of passwords down here later. So so let's Control S. Now we are going to go inside. Let's go to code behind. Right here we are going to we're going to keep that the let's see how we're going to do this. Yeah, that's fine. We're going to keep that object. We're going to add new object called O password as password. That's that. All right. That is just that. We're not going to worry about all this yet. Okay. So, but on here we cannot edit. All right. We're going to remove the edit because yeah, we don't want to edit. We're going to leave the edit away. And as a matter of fact, I am going to remove this guy. We just want to add and cancel. That's it. Let's see. Hold on. Hold your horses. Oh, okay, that's a save. Okay, so it's also a save. Edit or save. You know what? We're just gonna leave that like so. All right. We're gonna come back here and undo that. The reason being is because that is also a save button. All right. That's also a cancel. So we'll go ahead and we'll go ahead and change this guy to save. All right. And there will not be edit. There will not be edit. Since there will not be edit, I'm just going to make it more technical. Change this guy to save. The save. Alright, let's go back in there. We're gonna click this guy, call it save, and we don't need to identify if it's a save. We just say copy, remove that because just like that. And we don't need to remember the previous here. Yeah, We don't need to remember the previous. Just like that. All right. Since there will not be an edit. Yep. All right. So that's good. And let's move on. We'll start moving on. Normally we're moving there from down and up. This time we're going to move from up and down. So this will be add. All right. So instead of, we don't have the if then else. So we're going to copy that. Remove or replace this guy. Call adding new password. All right. Just before we go, right here, what we want to do here, oh no, not there, save. What we want to do here, we want to say, we want to add a message. All right. We want to add a message if ms, yeah, let's try this. Are you sure? Oops. Hey, somebody just sent me money. Good. Thank you for the donation. Thank you, Ryan Kennedy. You're the man. Yep. I'm glad you liked my video and I appreciate your donation. Shout out to Ryan Kennedy. Thank you. Are you sure you want to save? So let's try this. Nope, we're gonna do this. Once save, you cannot delete. Yeah, there you go. That's good. Once save, comma, you cannot delete. And then we're going to add the add two lines. All right, VB CRLF, and then I'm going to go to the next line and add, and then say, are you sure? All right, and then hey, wait a minute. I think we need to put this guy in there. Okay, and there, that's what happens there. VB yes, no. All right, and then we want to say add the title, confirmation. Confirmation, and then we say VB. What else in there? Help context. If we're gonna add information in here as well, plus VB information. See there. End. I think that will work. Equals VB yes, then I'm going to go right here. Like so. And then this current action equals cancel. So if we say no, we're just going to cancel. All right, that's all we need to do. That's all we need to do. So now So now we're going to test this out. I'm going to comment that out, make sure that this logic works. Control S. Actually, you know what? Yeah, never mind. Yeah, I think we can do that. Yeah. So let's is you know what, it's going to bark because there is no edit, so we need to replace edit with save. I just remember that cmd edit, there you go. So let's go find cmd edit right there. So this becomes save, cmd save. As a matter of fact, we don't need to change the save because it's always going to be like that. Actually, you know what happened there? Oh yeah, you know what I did? Yeah, that's right, that is right. And then edit right there, just remove, but this guy is true. And we are not going to allow delete. Alright, we are not going to allow delete. But we allow, yeah. But we do allow it to, going to take this out. Save. False. False. Good. And we got cancel. Good. Good. That's what we, yes. Yes. And then right here, we are going to remove that. We are not allowing delete. False. False. Edit. There's no edit. There's no edit. Change that to C save. Yeah, I appreciate all those you guys who make a donation. I truly appreciate it. All right. I know you recognize my hard work. I try to sit up day and night to come up with the application and helping you to helping you with the coding. So I really do appreciate that. We don't have delete, so we don't need to do this. We just take that guy out. There's a cancel. So this guy cv save. We don't need to change the caption, and cv save right there. False. Delete false. Add true. There you go. Good. We're moving on. And right here, instead of command, we're going to use the password ID. There. Oops, that's good. I'm going to copy that, put it right here. And we're not going to display this guy, so I'm going to comment that out. We want to display the password, which we don't have it yet. And again here, I'm going to take that out, edit, save, false, true. Good. We are moving on. You know what I noticed up here? It's company ID here. We don't need that. We want password ID. Alright. So there you go. So anytime you recognize something that you missed, you can just, you can't have to think a couple steps ahead and a couple steps backwards. Alright. Now display customer here or company here. This is dandy right here. This is dandy. All right. However, we only have this guy and this guy. Therefore we can just delete the rest of them. Yep, we can delete the rest of them. And we don't have to worry about this guy. Yeah. So I'm going to add a comment in here, say need to refresh password list. We're going to add a password list right there. All right. Keep going. And this guy right here, this is not going to be company. Oh, we don't have delete, so take that out. We don't have delete. The save right here, instead of set customer, there's no set customer, so we can just change this guy to set password. All right, and then right here, password new, yeah, password, and password we don't need to set the ID because actually, yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. That would be me password ID. Password company ID, me text company ID, password username, me username. It's pretty straightforward. Yeah, I mean, it's this thing, programming. Once you get the once you start doing more and more, you start recognizing, oh, this is what we need to be doing. I think the issues with becoming better coder is to being able to memorize what we need. All right. Now this guy, this guy, you gotta have username. All right. This would be username, and you have to have password. All right, and it will say password. That's that. We are moving on. We're moving fast too. So that's good. We're gonna add another one. Well, we don't have this guy. We're gonna just change that to password ID. Change that to username, password, add it on, and the rest is gone. Hey, that rhymes. This one is password ID. Oh, I've noticed that something says password something. What is that? Let's go hunt that guy. What is that? We have a password there. TXT password right here. Well, where's the password ID? Oh, that's a password and then the ID. Got you. My bad. Okay, I understand. So there's a password and a password ID. Got you. Understand. My bad. Look, I felt like I had a brain fart there. And now this one is username. This is password. Yes. Yeah. And this one, this is a log. Add it on. Pretty good. Now the unlock. So the unlock will always be new company. The unlock will always be new company. All right. So we can do this. We don't need to validate. Before we had an edit. Remember, anytime we unlock, it's either an edit or add. Now we don't need to worry about the edit. And as a matter of fact, I am going to come up here to add right here. See, this is new. I'm going to take that out. See, that's what I'm talking about. Anytime you recognize something is up there, you can always go ahead and remove it. All right. So keeping your mind open, and you're gonna start moving real fast. All right. And here, because it's real small, I'm just going to copy the rest of them. And remember the light peach will go right, yeah, right there. Maybe down. An inch. That's lock. That's lock. This is false. That's not lock. That's not lock. That's lock. That's good. That's good. This is light peach. See there? Good. 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 And we're going to move the cursor to username. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Now this guy, when we clear, that's good. No, we don't want to clear company, by the way, because this has nothing to do with company. As a matter of fact, when you know what? Let's try that right there. When you add, no, we don't want to clear. Yeah, the company will always stay there. These guys will always stay there. Oh, we need to clear the, yes, we need to clear the password ID. And then here, username, here, password, and here, add it on. It's not no, but it's now. See, you see. Good, we're moving on. Let's go. Now the preset, we'll call this management password. This is a start. That's a start. That's good. This would be good. That's good. That's good. Looking good. And now this one, we are going to clear and lock. Once you come in here, you're going to say clear, oh, my bad, call clear text boxes, and then call lock text boxes. That's it. That's it. And this one, we're going to change that to password. See how we design this thing? See the subform, because we're going to use this subform on this form as well. That's pretty good, huh? And here's the same thing. Look at that. Here's the same thing. All right, and we're going to change this guy later. All right, so I'm going to comment that out. Comment that out. That looks pretty darn good. All right. Let me close this guy out. Okay, let's try to compile this. Then copy that. There. You see there? Call set. Now, this guy, we're going to change this guy. We're going to change this guy to password db access. Look at that. Oh, by the way, you know, I like that guy. Oh, password. I like the automation that we did. That's pretty good. And here, once you save, you don't have to set anything other than you don't have to set this because we want that company name to be listed there. But we gotta set, we gotta change this guy to this is going to be, you know what, I'm gonna put a comment in there to remind me, replace, or how about refresh password list. Yep. And this guy, we don't need to refresh. All right, so I'm going to take that out. Here's the same way, I think, right here with refresh password list. Yeah, this should be password list. All right, these should be password list. See there? Nope, my bad. That's fine. That's a search. That's for the search. Yeah, that's for the search. That's fine. No, this is good. This is good. Yeah, that's a search take for. Yep. So that's good. That's good. That's all good right there. All right, let's compile this. No barking. Excellent. All right. The next thing that we want to do before we start testing this guy is to create a list right here. All right. Create a list, just a list of password here. Save. And then I'm going to close that out. Here, this is the easy way. We're going to copy, paste, and call this password. All right, call this password. Now let's go in there and see what we can do here. Yeah, this guy. Yeah, this is going to be easy. That was a source. So by the way, we are going to not use this. We are going to use the password table, like so. And this guy right here is going to be password ID. And then this guy is going to be, let's move her back up there. You know what? I'm going to move this away from that wall. Perfect right there. This seems to be a little longer username. I'm going to move both of these guys right about there. and that guy will be username. Copy that. And this guy will be password. All right. So we'll go ahead and change that customer to username, password. I am going to make this guy just a tad shorter. Now if you have longer name, I'm sorry. And I'm going to move this guy in there. Right there. I think the password is also it's also too long. You know what? I'm gonna make that guy shorter. Right about there. The reason being is because copy, paste. I want to add another one right there. And make this guy there. And this will be added on. See there? Copy. Like so. I'm gonna copy this guy, paste. This is straightforward. Alright. I'm gonna move this, close the gap here. Select both of these guys and say size widest. See there? Pretty straightforward. And I want this guy to be sorted by added date. So order by. So if you come to the right here, order by. I'm looking for order by the way, right here. See there? We can say added date, and then that's descending. Good. And I'm not going to worry about all these things. All right. Other than those clicks. I'm gonna remove that guy. I'm not worrying about this guy. And I'm going to change this guy to display password. This would be, oh, we don't have a password there. On the other side. So that's what we'll be doing next. Password ID, and then right here, see, we don't have this guy right here. Display password. Control S, and let's go back to this form right here, password right here. See how we got display right here. So we're basically gonna copy this guy, copy, and do that, and then say display password right here. See how that is, how we're doing that. And now we can check to see the password ID there. My bad there. And then right here we say password db access exists by ID. Pass in the password object, password ID. You see there? That's pretty good. And once we have that, this will be username, no caption. I'm gonna copy this guy right here, save my typing, my fingers. Username, oops, password. See there? See how fast we're moving on. Add it on equals. Nice. Actually, yeah. This is display, so we don't need to do that. Good. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Looks good. Looks good. Let's pop back to the subform right here. Let's go back to the form. There's a username, password, edit date. All right, so we're gonna go back in there. Instead of delete, I'm just going to come up right here, say username, password, and then make a copy of this guy. Call it edit date, and then copy this guy. Pretty straightforward, isn't it? Yeah. To be a program, this is what you do. You gotta enjoy what you're typing. There's a lot of typing for sure. If you look back in module 1, CMS module 1, we had blank files, maybe none, nada. And if you look at the module 28, oh my gosh, if you have been following that CMS, I say you have done a whole lot of typing, at least 5,000 lines of code, if not more. If not more. Okay, we're here. All right, that's that. That's good. That is just that. Now, how do you get this guy to display that guy, right? So that's the question. Well, let's close this out. I'm going to show you. We're going to move this subform to right here. I'll remove that guy. This is just going to be, right about there. I think that looks good right there. And this guy is going to be right there. And this guy is also going to be anchored down as a stretch down. See there? See there? Control S. Yep. And now, one thing that I want to do, I don't care how many because it's going to be real minimal, like 3 or 4, maybe 5. All right, so we don't care. All right, now let's get back to the form again. If I'm moving too fast, all right, you need to you have an option to stop, slow down, rewind, or go back, and that's good. So right here now, see, refresh the list. What we need to do is password require. That's it. That's it. You see there? That's it. Let's see. Yeah, right here. Once we're done, me password require. Now before we had to do a refresh form because if you look at it here, we have to calculate how many lists, how many companies there are, right? Well, in here we're not concerned about the number of companies. We just want to make sure it refresh. That's it. All right. So, but hold on just a sec. Display. Oh, yeah. So you wouldn't know, right? So here we say it might be form. Okay, let's try form. Source record source. Oh, record source. That's what it was. Yeah, sometime when you remember a bit at a time, that's yeah, that's all right. That's all right. So when you saw like this, select everything from password where company ID equals me company ID, like so. You know what? I'm gonna make just a tad dandy because I'm gonna show you. All right, I'll go ahead and remove that and add this booger down here somewhere. Yes, private sub refresh password list. See there? And then all I have to do is just do that. Right? Now we're just gonna copy that. Then I don't have to. Retype that over and over again. You see? Because right here, you see right here, when you save, you want that password to be listed right away. So you can say call just like that. See there? Just like that. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Cancel. Cancel here would be display password. Just in case you're trying to add new one and you say, hey, I want to cancel. And then you're just going to relist the password. Looks good, looks good. Looks good to me. Alright. Oh, we don't have it's new. I'm going to take that out. Oh, we don't have delete either. Remember? We're not going to delete. Well, we have delete. You know what? Yeah, that's fine. We do have delete button. Don't want to take that out. We might get in trouble. Alright, let's debug. Aha. Where's my source? He says. This one display password. Yeah, looks like we're gonna have to bring back that source hidden field because we got to have that guy. My bad. All right, let's go back in here. I'm just going to not that one, this guy. I'm just going to copy this guy, copy, and then back in here. Oh, not there. Password. This guy, and then gotta find place for it. I'm just going to put this guy here and make that a no. Yep, and then move it in under there. Oh, that's all right. That's all right. I'm going to send it back so that I don't have to see it. Send it back. There you go. It's gone. Now you see. Now you don't. All right. Good. Now in the password, we have to set this guy. Right here, source. See here, password, source. See, that's how that works. I think we've got everything. Let's compile it again. Bam, no barks. No box. Alright, now we are going to attempt to test this guy out. Let's try testing this guy out. Let's close that out. Password. If we click this guy, it should list here. Let's see. Ooh. Huh. It didn't set. Why? Open. Well, why didn't it set? Let's try that. Let's follow that guy. Now that I don't stand. Let's try that again. Password. There you go. Yeah. And let's F8. You should go in there. Huh. Oops, my bad. Let's continue. We know it came in here and it set. Now let's go in this guy. We are going to click. I want to see why. Click. Type mismatch. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Okay. This is in the Subform company. Okay. Well, which is fine, but the source is not set. Why is that? That's okay. Let's look at the company. It should be the same. Right down here. Yeah, open, set. Why is that? Oh, I know why. I know why. I know why. No problem. We're just gonna come here, copy this guy, and then go back to here. The reason being is because we have two subforms. All right. This guy's also have. Yeah, this guy also. Yeah. So when we click on the subform, the company list, it needs to know where to display the company. And if we click on the password list, it needs to know where to display the password. And that's the reason why, I think. So that's yeah, we gotta be a little quicker with the thought. All right, let's try that again. Click. That's what I was talking about. See there? Because yeah, this is a subform. This is also a subform, and both of these guys need to refer to this password form. All right. Now, let's see if we can do this. Look at that. Look at that. We're gonna add add a password for the Microsoft. Let's say my Microsoft. There you go. Password. Tab. Oh, tab didn't. Whoa, tab goes way over there. Huh. We need to fix that. Let's go ahead and fix that. Also, that's one thing that I need to change. This index should be 0. We're gonna make it pop right there. That would be 1. That would be 2, except it doesn't allow tab stop. No. Yeah. In addition, I'm gonna make a copy of that little guy. In addition, we're gonna fix this later, but right now I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. Show and change this guy. txt show, oh, not txt, command show hide. Alright, show hide. So once we get the saving and savings password done, I'm going to show you how to make this guy show password and hide password. Alright, so right now we just put a button there for now. Let's not worry about that. Alright, let's close it out. That's fine. That right there is fine. So we just click on this guy, add new. See now he moves right there. Let's say Microsoft. Oops. Password. See how it taps next. Micro 1 2 3. Save. Are you sure? There you go. Are you sure? Once saved, you cannot delete. Are you sure? Yes. Hey, it didn't list. What happened? It didn't list. It did not list. What about this guy? Okay. Let's close that out. Did it save? Ah, it didn't save. It didn't save. What I'm going to do right now is to remove this guy, and we're gonna find out why. Close that password right now. So let's do that again. Actually, you know what? I want to show you something here. See how it defaults to add? You can't add without the company. Alright, so when you open this guy, all this should be disabled. Alright, let's try that. Let's fix that. And that's the thing, as programmer, you got to recognize what needs to happen. Alright, so in here, right there, false. This is also false. Just in case. This is just in case. Alright, this is just in case. And now, in the display company here, we can turn it on. Command add. Not visible. Enable. True. Make sure that is enabled. Yep. So let's try that again. Password. There you go. Good. Now when we click, that's what we were talking about. Now we gotta find out why it's not saving. Alright, we gotta find out why it's not saving. So the save is right here. The save is right here. I am going to click on this guy, add Microsoft Micro 1 2 3. Yes. It didn't go there. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, duh. See that? And you were wondering why it's not saving, right? You were wondering. Let's try it again. Save. Are you sure? Yes. Okay. All right. We're getting somewhere. That's no. What the heck? Well, oh, you know what? We can do this. We'll take that out. Let's continue. There you go. There you go. 1 2 3. Good. Good. Let's add a new one. All right. See how we cannot delete or edit. That's good. Let's add new one. Same username. Uh, Microsoft. And oh, you know what? We gotta validate. Make sure it's not the same. It's not the same. Yeah, that the password doesn't exist. But anyways, we're gonna worry about that later. All right. But right now, let's do micro 124. Save. Yes. Hey, it didn't relist. What the heck? Let's, oh, we got two. Different company. Huh. Hold on. Hold on. Something's not right here. You see what I'm seeing? Let's go see the display company. Ah, we never call that guy. We never call that guy. That's why. Control S. But we save here. That's yeah. What's wrong with that? That's better. Huh. Uh, eh. Hold on. That should be right. That should be right. Z6D. Oh, we don't have Z60 company. What the heck? Why company is not that? I don't understand. All right. I want to see the display company again here. So this is good. That's good. So I want to I want to close this out. I want to find out what's going on here. All right. So we got Z6D. Yeah, that's look at that. That's different. That's different. Z6D. We don't have Z6D in here. So when we add new, hold on. Hold your horses. We add new. This guy should be, you see there? This guy right here should be old password. Password. And I think the set we're not done there yet. See the set here? We don't need this. That was the reason why it keeps getting different items in there. Because when we set right here, when we set new company right here, it gets a new ID. So now I'm just gonna copy that guy put in there. Like that. Save. Alright, let's go ahead and delete these two guys. We're gonna try it again. I think that was it. We were setting different things. So if you notice in here, we were setting company. Anytime you set company and you get a new password, that's why the password don't match. Not password, but the company ID. Well, let's see if that theory works. We don't care now. All right. And now, yeah, let's go ahead and add this guy, Lotus. My Lotus password, my Lotus1. Save. Yes. Okay, it saved, but it did not refresh. Something with the refresh. Something with the refresh. We know it's there. Oh, no company. What the heck? What the heck? Let's close that out. Let's go ahead and delete that out. Let's close that out. Well, this is this is part of programming, is to say, hey, I expect that to happen. How come? You know. Huh. What clears it? What clears it? Oh, hold on here. So we clear text box, we clear that guy, and we'll say new. Oh, right here, duh. We don't need to set that guy here. Okay, that's where it was. So what happened here, when we set this guy new in here, that's where it gets the company ID. That's why the company ID is not there. So my bad. Let's remove that. Take that out. Control S. Let's try it again. Yeah, like I said, this is part of being a programmer, is to do things that you expected to happen to you. All right. If you don't see it, my Lotus 1. Save. Yes. That's what it was. See that? You see this right here? We're going to change that now. Delete. Yeah, let's change that to actually close. In this Subform right here, this should be date. All right here. This should be format right here. It should be general date, like so. That way we see everything. All right. Huh. It still didn't change. You see that? Still didn't change. Oh. 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 That's why. That's why. Let's add another one. Let me close that out. Let's add another one. Add. This one is my Lotus. My Lotus 2. What's going on? What's going on? Why? Why? it did not add the date. All right. Well, let's get back in here and let's take a look. What is going on? One thing what we can do, I notice right here on the set, instead of add on right here, I wonder if we can do this. Now means time, date and time. All right. If you just put the date like that, that's just the date. All right. But we want date and time, like so. All right. So that should just be it. Well, you know what? Let's take a look at this guy. There might be something in here. Well, it's a date right there. It's a date right there. So that should be fine. I'm going to remove that. There you go. All right. So that should be it. All right. So what we are going to do, I am going to make a stopper here, and we're going to add another one. Yeah, we're going to add another one. Lotus, my Lotus, and this one will be my Lotus 3. Save. Yes. All right. Right now, you see there. That's what it should be. So I'm going to F8. F8. What's the value? So that's good. That's good. F8. Continue. Right here should be F. Oh, her. Why? We know that's there. Hmm. 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 Let's go take a look. What's going on there? Let's not save. Let's go back in here. Something is not right. Edit date. Eh, that looks right. That looks right. Let's look at this. Yeah. Um, that looks right. Let's you know what? Let's stop that, because they might be up in here. Let's take a look at this guy. We're gonna change this guy to general date. See, yeah, change that to a general date. All right, and close that out. Close that out. And let's take a look at. And you notice here it opens up with the with these guys right here. We should not have anything in here. All right. So what I want to do here is unload. Let's go to a form. Yep, password form. So unload right here. Right here. I am going to see this guy right here. Company ID equals. Oops. I'm going to put blah blah blah, and then I am going to do this. That way it doesn't. Yeah. That way. Oops. Let's make a call. Now you can do this without call, but it's just a habit. All right. It's just a habit. So this way it's not going to list anything, because there's no such thing as company ID AAA. All right. So let's close that out. Let's try it again. There you go. That's what it should be. All right. Good. All right. So let's go back and add this guy, because we are interested in this guy. We are interested in this guy. My lotus 3. All right. Her. This guy is right, but this guy is not right. So I'm still baffled with this guy. What's wrong with this guy? Huh? Okay, okay, all right. Let's close that out then. Let's close that out. What is this? What's this? Date and time? All right. What's going on? What is going on? I don't get it. Let's add another one. We're gonna we're gonna get this guy right, and we're gonna find out why. Lotus 4. All right. But this time, I want to see what's going on here on the set. What is going on here on the set? Right here. This is where. What is going on? Yeah. I I don't get it. I don't get it. Right here. This is where it should. Yeah. We need to find out there. All right. Let's go in there again. F8. So the value is. That's correct. That's correct. Oh. No, that's right. That's right. That is right. That's a set. That's a set. That's correct. Let's continue. Hmm. Well, you and I both are stuck here. We are stuck here. You know what? I'm gonna stop right there. I'm going to do this for now. Let's see if this works. When it sets the new right here, I want to see what this guy is. And I'm gonna stop right. I'm gonna stop right there, and we're gonna follow this booger in here. Yes. Oh, hold on. Cancel. Ooh, cancel it went right there. When it's canceled, we want to be able to add. So we did cancel. Ah, true. Hold on. Hold on. Let's go back. False. And then display password right here. We need to turn this guy on right here. Command save or add. Enable true. Oh, yeah, enable true. We're gonna. Okay, it's good. We just say new item. So I'm gonna undo that. That's good. Right there, see there? That something's not right with that guy. Something's not right with that guy. That should be like so. I'm gonna take a look at this guy. Added date. We're gonna do it again. I'm gonna stop right there. Huh, you see that? I just copy that guy. It looks the same thing, but I just copy that guy. Now it works. Nothing changed. All I did was, wow, that's all I did was just copy that guy, paste in here, and then copy this guy, paste in here, even though they were the same. Wow. So, yeah. Well, something, yeah. I have no idea. But now it's going to work. Now it's going to work. Oh, let's take that my Lotus that one out. That's better. That's what it was. So, whew, that took a while. Just so that you know what I did here. Even though these guys were right, spelled correctly, spelled right, it it didn't recognize it was a date. That is something. This is also there. All I did was just copy this guy. Just copy this guy, paste it in here, which is what it was. That baffles me. But we got it working. There you have it. That we got it working. All right. What the heck? What the heck? Command add enable. What do you mean it's not there? Yeah, it should look like that. Okay, I might have. Oh, okay. I didn't have the E behind there. My bad. Good. Good. Now we don't want this guy right here. See there? We can change this guy right there. 2, 3, 1. Good. But we don't want this calendar right here on the right hand side. Let's go get rid of that calendar. Good, we're almost done. It took longer than I expected. Never. Right there. Change that show date picker. Say never. Close. That's that. There you go. Let's add one more. How about YouTube? Let's add one more. This would be YouTube name. I don't know, something. 1, 2, 3. All right. Yep. All right. Now I'm gonna change this guy. Oh, this is wrong place. We're gonna mask that guy. All right. We're gonna mask that guy. Before we end, we're gonna mask that guy. Okay. So I'm gonna move this guy up to right there, and right here, and right here, right there. I'm gonna mask that guy. So to mask that guy, when you yep. So here's what you do. I'm going to add a function in here, private show hi. All right, show hi password. This is easy. This one is easy. We're going to do show hi password, and then we'll say if command show hi caption equals show, then oops, oh, forgot the if, my bad, then else, like so. So what we want to do here, if it says show, we want password input mask equal empty. All right, yeah, and then oopsie, and then the command show hi caption equals hi. I'm going to copy this guy. So this is what you do. All right. Otherwise, show. That's it. All right. That's it. And now I'm going to make a click event on click. Bam. On click. I'm going to move that guy to the bottom here, since his buddy is right there. Copy. There you go. There you go. There you go. And then on load, and here on load, I want to call this guy and change his caption to hide. All right, change that caption to hide. Let's see what it looks like. Did I go too fast? If I did go too fast, all right, see there? If I did go too fast, you can slow down the, yeah. Now let's see if it shows. Look at that. Hi, show hi, show hi. Isn't that neat? That is awesome. That is awesome right there. I want to move this guy a little closer here. Okay. So let me do one more tweak. Let me do one more tweak. That tweak is gonna be right there. You know what? You know what? There. I'm just going to move this guy right there. Maybe right to that blackened line. You know what? Right there's good. That right there's good. And then move this guy right there. Oh, that looks perfect. That too, right there. That looks perfect. All right. Let's take a look at one more time before we call it a day. So this is a password. All right. Look at that. Look at that. So now you can see. So it doesn't list. It doesn't list the previous. All right. So let's fix that up. We can fix that. We can fix that right here. We say order by added date descending. All right. Now I showed you that we did it right here, but because we query it from here, it's going to depend on this. All right. It's going to depend on this. So whatever we did in on that form right there, order by, it won't work. All right. So just keep in mind, anytime you add a query in here, the form filter doesn't work. All right. This one, it depends on this guy. All right. Let's take a look. I'm gonna there. There you go. That's the latest. All right. That's the latest. Good. Now we click on this. We can't see the password. We're gonna say show. And thank you. Hi, show hi. All right. So that's how that works. Okay. So in the next video, I am not going to tell you, but there are going to be something. All right. We're gonna have another video, maybe a couple more on the uh, password keeper. But for now, we got that guy. We also got this guy. All right. We also got this guy. Similar fashion. Okay. Similar fashion. All right. There you have it. There you have it. Happy programming. Oh, a shout out to Ryan Kennedy for the donation. Thank you very much, Ryan. You are the man. And those of you guys and the rest of you guys have been sending me the donation. I truly appreciate it. And now I feel like my work has not gone down the drain. Um, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.